Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can block ads on Android phone. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we can go to our settings. And after we have our settings application opened, we have to select the connection setting. Alright, and you can choose the more connection setting right here. Click on it. And here we have some options, and you have to select the private DNS. And in this private DNS, as you can see, we have off, automatic, and private DNS provider host name. And if you want to block ads on your Android phone, you have to select this one, this private DNS provider host name, and make sure that you input this dns.adguard.com. And after that, you just need to click on save to save the setting, and the ads on your Android phone will be automatically blocked. And I hope the tricks will work on your phone as well. Alright guys, and that's how we can block ads on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.